So we were discussing about surface area and volumes, and we have discussed some of the important topics like we have discussed about cube, cuboid and cylinder.
cylinder.
Okay, these are the things we have already discussed in our last classes. हमने डिस्कस किया है इनके बारे में about surface area, CSA of cube, CSA of cuboid, CSA of cylinder. Then already हम TSA डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. CSA and TSA both we have discussed of all the three figures. तीनों फिगर्स के लिए हम ये चीज़ें डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नाउ we will be moving to the next thing, that is CSA and TSA of cone. This is the figure we will be discussing in this class. Now how a cone look like, cone कैसा दिखाई देता है. You must have seen your ice cream you are eating in cone shape. You must have seen ice cream in that shape. I will try to draw in that kind of shape. You must have eaten this kind. So this is what
Yes, sir.
this is what a cone look like. And you must have seen in your playground also, na? In playground we use this kind of cones to mention some kind of area or some kind of directions. हम ऐसे cones को use करते हैं. In playground also, in your sports room you can see there are many cones of different colors, yellow, green, red, है ना. So these are having cone shapes. So in cone also ना, like we are having in cylinder. मैंने एक cylinder में भी तुम लोगों को बताया था about hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder is which one? Which is empty inside. अंदर से कुछ नहीं था और वो क्या था यहाँ पे covered भी नहीं था. The same thing we are having about cone also. If I am drawing a cone na, sometimes you will see it is completely means from this area also it is covered, है ना. From this area also it is covered, and from the side it is already covered. This thing you know. So the same thing as we have done in cylinder, same we will be doing in cone. Now suppose just for an instant I am drawing a different cone. Suppose this one, a vertical cone I have drawn, this one. Okay, what kind of base this cone is having? ये cone का, yes, every cone. Whenever you see a cone ना, at one end you will see a vertex. एक side में तो तुम लोगों को कोई vertex ही दिखेगा, है ना, because you will see a corner point. And when we see a corner point we talk about vertex, and at the other side you will see what? A circular face. So this is what you will see in a cone at the both the ends. Both ends if you will see na, circle or a vertex. Now if I just for an instant think this cone is having this height. This is the height of the cone h. Okay, and suppose this is having the because there is a circle, and circle is always having what? A radius. Some radius is there always for a circle. So when you are talking about CSA of a cone, how you will find it out? कैसे find out करेंगे हम CSA अगर cone का find out करेंगे? Will it depend on this height or something else? Will it depend? See, if you will open a cone, देखो एक चीज सिंपली ध्यान रखना, अगर तुम एक कोन को ओपन करते हो, यस, इट विल बी लुकिंग इन स्मॉल ट्राइंगल्स. वो छोटे छोटे ट्राइंगल्स में हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं एक कोन को. देखो अगर मैं एक कोन लेता हूँ ना, अगर मैं उसको ओपन करता हूँ, देखो यहाँ से मैं छोटे छोटे ट्राइंगल्स कट आउट कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन कट स्मॉल ट्राइंगल्स फ्रॉम इट. ओके, and you know the area, to find the area of triangle what we do? Area of triangle हम कैसे find out करते हैं? Area of triangle half into base into height we do ना, half into base into height. But see, we will not take this height in consideration. हम ये वाली height consideration में नहीं लेते हैं जब हम cone का CSA find out करते हैं. We take this one. this L I am representing, this one, you can see this height, this is known as slant height. Slant height. Why it is known as slant height? ये वाली slant, because it is on a slope. You can see it is not completely on a 90-degree angle. It is on a slope. Slant height is there. This L. So we consider this L while finding the CSA or TSA. We will not consider this H. इस H को हम फॉर्मूले में नहीं लेते हैं. We consider this L. And you know this CSA, if you have to find for a cone, you will use the formula pi r L. And for TSA you will use the formula pi r L plus r. Now from where this pi r L plus r came? See, CSA means क्या होता है? When we talk about CSA, we talk about only boundaries. We don't include the top and bottom. हम top और bottom को include नहीं करते हैं when we are talking about CSA. CSA, अगर CSA का formula pi r L है, that means in TSA what I will include? TSA में मैं क्या include करूँगा? What I will be including this circle, ना? The area of this circle. So that means it will be pi r L. This is CSA plus pi r square. This pi r square is what? This is the area of the circle. This bottom area, the area of the circle, it is pi r square. And when you will take pi r common from both, na? See, if you are taking pi r common, suppose I am taking this pi r common, then I am left with L plus, and here I am left with r. So this is the formula we use to find the TSA of a circle. TSA के लिए pi r L plus r, for CSA pi r L. This is what you will be using. So one question we are having, this one from the exercise. Okay, see. What length of a tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base 6 meter? देखो तुम लोगों ने ना बहुत बार देखा होगा when you go for camping or something, this kind of tent we use to build up. ऐसे हम टेंट लगाते हैं by using some kind of cloth and all. Have you seen? कभी देखा ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You must have seen this kind of tent
Yes, sir.
build up. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Suppose this is the conical tent. ये वाला conical tent हमने बना लिया, ठीक है, to stay within, इसके अंदर रहने के लिए. While doing camping and all ना, we use this kind of tent. Okay, so trekking and all. So what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide? अब ये कह रहा है कि हमारे पास जो कपड़ा है ना, वो कुछ इस टाइप में है, जो जिस कपड़े से हमें टेंट बनाना है, दैट इज ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर टाइप. ओके, ये रेक्टेंगुलर टाइप का कपड़ा है एंड इट इज 3 मीटर वाइड. ये 3 मीटर वाइड है, मतलब इसकी जो ब्रेड्थ है वो 3 मीटर है. वट लेंथ, दैट मीन्स इट इज आस्किंग कि इसकी लेंथ कितनी होनी चाहिए, हाउ मच इट्स लेंथ विल बी टू मेक अ कोनिकल टेंट ऑफ हाइट 8 मीटर. और इस कपड़े से हमें क्या करना है, एक कोनिकल टेंट बनाना है दैट इज हैविंग हाइट, जिसकी हाइट जो है ये हाइट, दिस हाइट इज गिवन. जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इफ इन योर क्वेश्चन स्लैंट हाइट इज गिवन ना, अगर स्लैंट हाइट लिखा हुआ है देन यू विल टेक इट एज एल, और एल तुम लोगों को पता है दिस वन, दिस इज द स्लैंट हाइट. This, if suppose I am writing this as AB, this AB is what? This is the slant height. But in this question we are given with height only. That means this H is given. This H is given as 8 meter. Okay, and base radius is given 6 meter. देखो मीनिंग क्या है, हमारे पास एक कपड़ा है, दिस काइंड ऑफ क्लॉथ वी आर हैविंग, दिस टर्पोलिन क्लॉथ और समथिंग, एंड बाय यूजिंग दिस वी हैव टू मेक अ कोनिकल टेंट. एक कोनिकल टेंट बनाना है विच इज हैविंग हाइट 8 मीटर, रेडियस 6 मीटर. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, हाउ मच क्लॉथ यू नीड टू बिल्ड द टेंट. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक द बेस नहीं बनाना है। ये जो बेस है ना, दिस वन here you will not use the cloth, this tarpaulin cloth you will not use on the base, क्योंकि जब हम टेंट बनाते हैं ना, कॉनिकल टेंट या कोई भी टेंट, हम उसकी बाउंड्रीज को बनाते हैं। so that
So we should find CS.
yes, we will be finding CSA, that is the correct thing, but for CSA of a cone, जब हम find out करेंगे CSA of cone, we use formula pi r l, but here l is not given to us, so how do we find this l? इस l को कैसे find out करेंगे? see, अगर तुम ध्यान से देखो, this AOB, which kind of triangle this AOB is?
Right
Right angle
Yes. So we are having in right angle triangle AOB. Can we write L square equal to H square plus R square? क्या हम ये लिख सकते हैं that L square equal to H square plus R square by using Pythagoras theorem? And see, it is the,
Pythagoras.
yes, it is the relation. This is the relation between what? This is the relation between H, L and R. If you are given with any two of them, you can find the third one. तुम easily third find out कर सकते हो. This is the relation. You should remember this formula, L square equal to H square plus R square. देखो, याद करने के लिए इतना वो नहीं है. You can only observe this thing from the figure also. Figure से ही पता लग जाएगा that L, H and R what relation they are making by using the Pythagoras theorem. L square equal to H square plus R square. Okay, it is not about कि एक formula याद करना है. You can see the figure. So from here, if I will find L square equal to H is what? It is 8. So 8 square, then plus R. R is what? 6. So it will be 6 square. So L square will be equal to 8 square
100,
64
sir.
plus 36. That means L square I am getting as 100. So how much this L I will be getting?
10.
अगर L square 100 है, that means L will be 10 centimeter. Yes, it's correct. Sorry, meter. Its units are given in meter. So L is 10 meter. That means half of the work I have done. I have find out the slant height of the cone. And now I can easily find its CSA. And you know why we are finding the CSA. CSA find out क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because we are building the tent. हम टेंट बिल्डअप कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट बिल्डिंग द बेस इज ऑन द ग्राउंड, वी आर बिल्डिंग टेंट. तो ग्राउंड पे हम यूज कर सकते हैं एनी अदर थिंग. सो इफ आई एम फाइंडिंग CSA, what I will be using this formula pi RL. So that means it will be, you can see in your question, just see the pi value is given 3.14. Here you can see pi value is 3 point. So whenever the value of the pi is given, just use that value only. So here I will be using pi RL, that means 3.14 multiply. R is how much? It is 6, and L is how much? It is 10. So if I will remove this decimal, take 100, 0 to 0 cancel. Now just multiply. 6 4 ja 24, 2 carry, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2 8. 6 3 ja 18. You are getting 188.4. Is it in meter square? Yes, because it
Yes,
is
sir.
area, so it will be in meter square. 188.4 meter square. That is CSA we are getting. But देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Assuming that extra length of material will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting approximately 20 centimeter. अच्छा, अब एक चीज़ सोचो. उसने बोला कि दैट यू विल बी यूजिंग दैट मच क्लोथ, 188.4 मीटर स्क्वायर, दैट मच क्लोथ यू विल बी यूजिंग टू बिल्ड दिस टेंट. इतना यूज करोगे. नाउ फ्रॉम वेयर दिस क्लोथ केम, एट वट शेप दिस क्लोथ वॉज? कैसी शेप में था वो? द सेम क्लोथ वॉज इन द शेप ऑफ
Rectangle, sir.
So can I use that area of rectangle is also the same? Area of rectangle is also 188.4 meter square, because this is the only cloth. यही cloth use करके मैंने ये बनाया था. So whatever area this cloth is having in the shape of rectangle, the same area it will be having in the shape of cone also. So what formula we have to use for area of rectangle? Is it length into breadth equals to 188.4? Okay, we are using L into B equal to 188.4. So that means B is given to us. B is given, it is 3. So L multiply by 3 equal to 188.4. Then this 3 will go into division. So L will be 188.4 divided by 3. 3 6 ja 18. Then 3 2 ja 0.38 ja. See how much we are getting. We are getting length as 62.8 meter. This much we are getting, 62.8 meter. That means the length of the tarpaulin should be 62.8 meter and breadth should be 3 meter. Then we can build up a tent. तब हम ऐसा एक tent बना सकते हैं. But one more thing is given in the question, that some length. देखो जब हम कोई चीज़ बनाते हैं ना, बाई यूजिंग एनी क्लोथ, इफ़ वी आर मेकिंग एनीथिंग, कुछ चीज़ें ना, कुछ कपड़ा वेस्ट होता है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस थिंग इन ऑन अ टेलर शॉप ऑल्सो, उस पर भी देखा होगा तुमने, है ना. सो इसमें क्या बोला है, द वाइल स्टिचिंग के दौरान कितना कपड़ा वेस्ट हुआ, ऑलमोस्ट 20 सेंटीमीटर. 20 centimeter. So if I will convert this 20 centimeter into meter, how much it will be?
0.2 meter.
It is 0.2 meter. So that means total required length जो है ना, total length जो हम लोगों को चाहिए वो कितना होना चाहिए, 62.8. ये तो चाहिए ही, इतना तो we need for making the tent, but 0.2 ये waste भी तो हो रहे हैं. So that means 62.8 plus 0.2, it will be 63 meters. So this is how you will be finding your answer, 63 meter. This is your complete answer for the question, that the length of the cloth, breadth we were given, breadth हम लोगों को पहले ही दिया था. We have to find the length, we have to make this kind of tent. So first we have find out the CSA find out करके हमने the same CSA we have taken as the area of the rectangle, because the cloth is same. उसी cloth से हम लोगों ने tent बनाया है. So we have find out the length. This is the length we are getting from this formula, length into breadth. Then 0.2 meter, that much is the wastage product. So we will add that one also. That means 63 meters. Okay, so let us see this one. What is given in question number 8? A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. देखो तुमने ना बस स्टॉप पे देखा भी होगा कई बार ना, on roads also you must have seen this kind of cones placed to to avoid some kind of accident, some kind of we say as traffic jams. This kind of cones are placed by policemen, है ना. So these kind of cones are placed by using 50 hollow cones. 50 hollow cones वहाँ पे रखे जाते हैं. 50, देखो अब इन्होंने अगर hollow बोला है ना, then hollow means itself that what you will be finding in the question. CSA वहीं पे पता लग जाता है.
CSA.
Yes, you will be finding CSA in this question, that is the thing. So each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter. See, the diameter is given complete, this diameter, it is 40 centimeter. So if diameter is given, you can find the radius easily. Radius कितना होगा उसमें? It will be 20 centimeter. Okay. And height is given as 1 meter. जो height है वो 1 meter है. That means this one. Again the slant height is not given, so height is given. So I will be taking this one only. So this height is given as 1 meter. This is h. Okay. So L we have to find first. पहले तो हम L find out करेंगे. But before finding that L, just see one thing. This is given in meter, this is given in centimeter. So we have to make the unit same unit बनना चाहिए ना, तभी तो हम formula use कर पाएंगे. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now in place of this 1 meter, either I will be changing this meter into centimeter or this centimeter to meter. Any one you have to change. So I am changing this centimeter to meter. Why I am changing? देखो, at the end we are given with ₹12 per meter square. अगर हम सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे ना, फिर से उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So that's why I am changing this r to meter. So it is 20 centimeter. How many meters it will be?
0.2.
meter. Yes, it is 0.2. By dividing with 100, you know 1 meter is having 100 centimeter. 1 meter में कितना होता है? 100 centimeter. So that means you are having 1 meter 100, so R will be 0.2 meter. So that means L square will be equal to, how much H is given? 1. So 1 square plus R is given 0.2, 0.2 square. So that means L square will be 1 plus 0.2 का square करने पे how much you will get? 0.04. So L square will be 1.04 meter. Sorry, it is square till now. We have to convert it. It is 1.04. And just see in the question, you are given with the root value of 1.04. 1.04 की root value है already. It is 1.02. So that means if L square you are taking 1.04, L you will be taking how much? 1.02 meter. This is how much L you will be taking, and also pi value is given in the question as 3.14. Pi value भी दी हुई है. Now we will be finding the CSA. Why I am finding CSA? Again, see the same thing, because these are hollow cones. They are not having the base area. So CSA of cone is what? Pi r L. So use the formula, that is 3.14, then R is how much? 0.2 meter, then L is how much? It is 1.02.
1.02.
So when you will multiply this thing, na, you will get it is 618, 0.618. When you will multiply 3.14 with 0.2, you will get 0.618. Multiply it with 1.02 also. So 0.618, 1.02 multiply 2 8 just 16, 3 2 6 just 12, then 0 0 0, then 1 8 1 6. You are getting 6 3 3 6, and you will be getting 0.63036. That much you will be getting after multiplying. Now how many cones we are having? हमारे पास कितने cones हैं? We are having 50, है ना? So we have find out the area of one cone. अब तक देखो ये जो CSA हमने find out किया था, this CSA, this is only for one cone. Now we will be finding for 50. So for 50 cones, CSA will be how much? It will be,
Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir, it will be 0.
be some mistake is there, some calculation, 6 5 8 to 10 3. Yes, it is 0.64056. That's correct. 0.64056. So you will be at multiplying 0.64056 by 50. Why we are multiplying it with 50? 50 से क्यों multiply किया? Because we are having 50 hollow cones. So that means it will be 5 6 ja 30, 3 5 5 ja 25 plus 3 28 2, then 5 4 ja 20, 0 2 carry, 5 6 ja 30, 32. So how much we are getting our answer as? 0. It will be 3 point. It will be 3.20280. 3.20280. That is the answer we are getting in meter square. That much meter square we are getting our answer, 3.20280. Now we have to find the cost also. Cost will be what? It will be area multiplied by rate. So what is the area we are given? 3.20280. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. If I'll take 1000, okay, it will be 32.0. Sorry, 32.08280 आना चाहिए, because we are having this 0 also. Okay, so it will be 32.0280. यहाँ पे ना ये डेसिमल जो आएगा 32 आएगा, 32 point. Okay, you will be taking this one, 32.0280. 0280, multiply it with 12. So how much you are getting? 12 0, 12 8 ja 96, 9 carry, 12 2 ja 24 plus 9 33, then 3, then 12 2 ja 24, 2 carry, 12 3 ja 36, 36 plus 2 38, 384.3360. That much rupees you will be getting your answer, 384.3360. So just see some calculations you have to do. That means only you have to use single formula, CSA of cone, then for 50 cones you will be finding, and then simple cost, area multiply by rate.